The best professor that I've had here at Yukon University has been Dr. Norma Shorty. She's just really pushed me to embrace my indigeneity and take up space as an Indigenous person, whereas I was always pushed to close or not show as much as I possibly could. My name is Chris-lin Hvatum, and I'm a student of the Yukon Native Teacher Education Program here in Whitehorse. I chose YNTEP because it is close to my home community and they really had an emphasis on Indigenous education. I was really young when I started this program. I wasn't 100% sure I wanted to be a teacher. I loved the way that YNTEP sounded. I was nervous to be in a classroom. My first practicum, I was so nervous and so scared that I was questioning whether or not I should become a teacher. And as I stayed and I got to know my teachers and they got to know me, they guided me in a way where it was more than just a teacher-student relationship. We've become friends and family almost, where they have supported me in every aspect. Even when maybe I wasn't meeting deadlines, they would help me get there and they would give me the time I needed to be able to get back to the place they knew I could be in. What I want to do after I graduate is continue on in school. I want to be able to do my master's, and I've been very well supported and encouraged to do a PhD, to have more Indigenous people as a doctor, like Dr. Norma Shorty. This university means a lot considering why it was created and why it is still standing now and how it's evolving into a bigger university. I think that this was the right push to be able to get Indigenous students into higher education, and it's so amazing.